charger. So it's a little bit of everything. And you know what? You see a little sneaky thing back there? I'll show you what that thing is. So this is a 15-watt fast charger. It's folding for good storage. Powerful absorption. Looking over the back here, this is from the company Ouotoo, maybe is how you would say that. And it's the input is 9 volt, 3 amps, 12 volt, 2.5 amps. The output for AirPods is 5 watts. The output for an Apple Watch is 2.5 watts and 2.5 watts. And the output for an iPhone can be 15, 10, 7.5, or 5. And the reason it says that is because different iPhones will pull different amount of power as it's needed. I found that out in various ways. I have the iPhone 13 Pro, and that, I think it pulls about 15 watts total when it needs it. And I have had this out and used it. And by the way, you know what? You get, everything was packaged up here very nicely. You get a little power brick right here, a decently long USB-C. It looks to be about maybe a 4-foot or 5-foot USB-C. It's a USB-A to USB-C connector into the power brick. And then looking over the unit itself, I don't need the instructions because there's not much to this thing. You see this? That's where your actual like mag, so your the MagSafe will fit on the back, and that's what I have. I have a MagSafe case that fits on there just like that. See that? How my phone locks in there and does not move, and I can rotate it in all different directions like that. But what's cool about this one is that, so if I want to leave it like that, now it's just a phone charger just like that. So that could be a phone charger just like that. But if I want to, I can open it up and then see this little switch right here. I mean, that little table, check that out. That's where your Apple Watch goes. And then you see right here, that's where some AirPods will go, which I do not have the AirPod Pros. I have just the regular AirPods, but I got these just to show you how they do fit in there. You'll drop them in there like that, and it locks into place, and it will hold it right there, and it will charge them like that. All of this is wireless technology charging. So let me go ahead, plug this in, and let's set it up, and let me show you how it works. One thing that I wish it had a light, like an indicator light on it when it's charging. It does have these little rubber feet right here for holding on, but let me show you how this works. So you get the phone like this. You hear that? Well, the phone's charging. And then I got an Apple Series 8 watch right here. Watch this. That's charging. And then you'd get your AirBuds. Now this one is like you could just run a wire to it, but why do that? Right here, that will just hold it right there, and that would charge your AirBuds. So this technically would charge all your devices. And I'm using the Apple here, but you know, it could charge Samsung. Any of the phones with wireless charging would work on this just fine. And what's cool is this sits right beside my bed, and it's also a little like phone. And you see how, because with the iPhone, when it's turned to the side like that, in that mode, see what it does? It turns into like an alarm clock. Rainfall data, I've got, and this is a widget I can set up however. And you know, Samsung's been doing that for years, so that's nothing new. And you see how the Apple Watch is charging in the back right there. Then I'd have my AirPods charging right there. So yeah, this thing works great. I'm going to be using this, and like I said, I'm going to have it either on my office desk or right beside my bed where I can always have charging on the go. And it looks extremely premium, everybody. That is a very premium look to this thing. It does not look cheap at all. And I like the fact I can just lay it down and then drop my phone on there. Just like that. And I absolutely love this case. Very strong nano magnets in the back, right there. I like that. That magnet works extremely well, and it's a great MagSafe. You see how I can pick this whole thing up like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the folding wireless phone charger by Ouotoo, Q-U-O-T-O, Ouotoo. See you all in the next video.